I'm Felix Torres. It is a great honor to again be among my friends at the APA Assembly. We stand at a crossroads in our nation as our populace, specifically our Black sisters and brothers, demand an end to centuries of oppression and discrimination and renew the call for social justice. Our esteemed organization is a microcosm of this United States, and a similar cry is being heard from our APA members. We entered this APA election cycle pondering upon our organization's history of strong positives, but also of baffling negatives. None has been more disconcerting than the treatment of minority and underrepresented members and staff. A glimmer of hope came out of the 2015 DOT approval of the APA strategic plan, setting the 4 pillars that would guide future initiatives. Diversity, the 4th pillar, calls for supporting and increasing diversity within the APA, serving the needs of underrepresented patient populations, and working to end mental health disparities. But a charter is only as good as its implementation, and in that, the APA has a long road ahead. It is with this appreciation that I am respectfully requesting your vote to become your next MUR trustee. Joining the APA Medical School, I have long been an advocate for our profession and our patients. Within the APA, I have served in several components and have extensive knowledge of our bylaws and procedures. During my 7-year tenure as Assembly Representative, I focused on issues relating to global and cultural psychiatry, the impact of global climate change on mental health, and the support of our 4th strategic initiative. When the Assembly Nominating Committee called on me to step into the 2019 Speaker-elect race as a replacement candidate, I heeded that call and ran a campaign deeply rooted on the importance of a proportionate investment on diversity and inclusion. You supported me with 46% of the vote, coming 2/3 of the way into the race, and for that, I thank you. The APA is navigating in challenging times as we evaluate our organization's issues with structural racism and financially reorganize to forge ahead in the unfortunate days of the ongoing COVID-19 pandemic. My MBA with a double concentration in healthcare management and more importantly in leading organizations makes me a great asset on the board, affording me the knowledge and the expertise to adeptly and critically assist the APA with these crucial upcoming decisions. The next MUR trustee must be keenly aware of our history to serve as a catalyst for change and for reconciliation among all 7 MUR groups. While I identify as gay and Latino, my plight for diversity within the APA has been focused on the advancement of all. Together, we are stronger than fragmented. I will strive to do the same as your next MUR trustee. Please check out my website, felixtorresmd.com. That is felixtorresmd.com for more information about my qualifications and personal life. And there you can also pledge your support and endorsement. Thank you very much for your time, and please stay healthy and safe.